Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're all good and keeping well. You're welcome back to Omo Healthy Living channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. This is a channel where we bring awareness to a healthy way of living. In today's video, we are going to be making a drink that specializes in weight loss. I'm doing this video for those of you who know me and have been asking, what have I been doing or what have I been eating to lose weight? This drink is for those of you who want to efficiently lose weight. It's a basic drink and an essential part of my diet. Right now, I'm going to introduce this drink to you, tell you some of its benefits and how to make it. The drink we are going to be making today is cucumber water, which is not only great for losing weight, as it is also extremely beneficial to the body in other ways. I will tell you the benefits of it, because while it is good to eat healthy, we should also make sure we know the health benefits of what we eat. We all know water is vital to maintain bodily functions. You should aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. But sometimes the taste of plain water gets boring, and adding cucumber changes the flavor, making it easy to drink a lot of water while maintaining the incredible hydration water is known for. Staying hydrated helps your body to flush out toxins and maintain a healthy complexion. Cucumbers are also high in vitamin B5, which has been used to treat acne. 1 cup of sliced cucumbers has about 5% of the recommended daily value of vitamin B5. In addition to this, dehydration helps with weight loss, as if you're trying to lose weight. Replacing sports drinks and juices with cucumber water can help you cut some serious calories from your diet while staying hydrated, which is very important for weight loss, as staying hydrated can often make you feel full, since sometimes you may feel hungry when you are actually thirsty. Hydration is far from the only thing that cucumber water provides. It also provides many important antioxidants, which help fight against cell decay damage from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can lead to chronic conditions like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and eye degradation. Research has shown that antioxidants combat these conditions. And cucumber water is a great source of those vital antioxidants, as it is rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, manganese, and several flavonoids antioxidants. This is why it is very important to eat fruits and vegetables high in antioxidants. In addition to this, cucumber water has blood pressure lowering effects. A common cause of high blood pressure is excess sodium and too little potassium in your diet. Potassium helps regulate the amount of sodium retained by the kidneys. Cucumbers are a great source of potassium, and by extension, drinking cucumber water helps your body get more potassium. potentially helping you to lower your blood pressure. Cucumbers are also high in vitamin K. A cup of sliced cucumbers has about 90% of the recommended daily value. Vitamin K is helpful to form proteins that are needed to make healthy bones and tissues, as well as to help your blood clot properly. Now that you have seen all the benefits, I'm going to show you how to combine the ingredients together. To make this drink, we need 3 ingredients: cucumber, ginger, and lemon. Although lime can also be used as a substitute for lemon. We will be using 2 large cucumbers today, and I will be leaving the skin on for extra benefits. I've already washed the ingredients, so I'm going to slice them before blending them. The ingredients in the blender are cucumber and ginger. I'm going to be squeezing in the lemon later. I'm going to fill the blender up with water and blend it. Even after blending, you can add as much water as you like. This is the fiber. I will not throw the fiber away as it is highly beneficial. Instead, I will add it to a portion of my drink. I'm going to be squeezing in the lemon now. I like cucumber slices in my drink, so I'm going to add some. I got this mint from my back garden. I'm going to add it to take the taste to another level. Adding sugar or other sweeteners to the drink is optional, but personally I prefer to drink it without them. This is a nice drink to store in the fridge and drink anytime, especially on a hot sunny day. I hope you find the information in the video helpful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up to enable me to make more health-related content. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button. And make sure you press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. Leave your queries in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and let's stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.